Presenting the Maxi-Cosi Titan Plus Comfortable Toddler, Child Car Seat with ClimaFlow feature, Group 1, 2, 3 convertible with ISOFIX, 9 months 12 years, authentic grey. This toddler, child car seat is a multi-stage vehicle seat reasonable for infants, babies and kids from 9 months to 12 years, approximately 9 to 36 kilograms. Strong ISOFIX establishment with top tie offers high soundness for this convertible vehicle seat. Your little one fills in solace from 9 months as far as possible as long as 12 years of age with the additional cushioning in the seat. Special ClimaFlow include guarantees your kid is kept at the correct temperatures constantly. This toddler, child car seat is our recommended for your best.